In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record FaceTime audio on your iPhone. Sometimes capturing those important conversations or cherished moments can be incredibly valuable, and knowing how to do it efficiently is key. However, do keep in mind that iOS has privacy restrictions which might limit certain features. So let's dive into the steps. To kick things off, we'll leverage the built-in screen recorder on your iPhone. It's an incredibly handy tool, and the process starts by ensuring that this function is readily accessible. Head over to your iPhone settings, then tap on Control Center. Here you will see an option to customize controls. What you need to do is add screen recording to the active list. Simply tap the plus sign next to screen recording, and it will be ready for action the next time you need it. Now that you've added screen recording, the next step is crucial. Turning on the microphone audio. This allows your voice to be recorded during the FaceTime call. To do this, swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen to open the control center, then press and hold the record button. In the pop-up menu, you'll see a microphone icon. Tap it to turn the microphone on, which will turn the icon from grey to red, indicating that it's active. With your microphone ready, it's time to start the FaceTime call. Dial up your contact like you normally would and wait for them to answer. Once you're connected, return to the control center and get ready to start recording. Tap the record button and your iPhone will begin to capture what's happening on the screen. Remember, this will record the video and your audio, but not the other person's voice due to those privacy restrictions we mentioned earlier. When your call concludes or you're ready to end the recording, it's time to stop and save your work. Look for the red status bar at the top of your screen and give it a tap. You'll see an option to stop the recording. Select stop, and just like that, your recorded video will automatically be saved into your Photos app for easy access. One final note, iOS is designed with privacy at its core, which means it won't record the other person's voice in the FaceTime call. If you need full two-way audio, you might consider using a Mac or exploring third-party apps, always ensuring you have permission from all parties involved in the recording. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide on how to record FaceTime audio on your iPhone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and insights. Happy recording.